I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change sprays in Marvel Rivals. Step 1. Navigate to your Marvel Rivals home screen and then click Heroes along the top of this screen. The Heroes menu opens. Step 2. Click the hero you want to change the spray for. In this example, I'll click to open Adam Warlock. Step 3. Click Cosmetics associated with this character, and then click Sprays in the submenu that opens. The Sprays menu is shown. Sprays that you currently have equipped will have a check mark in the upper right corner of them. Step 4. Click on any of the sprays on this screen that you want to add to see a preview of, and then click Equip on any sprays you want to equip for this Marvel Rivals character. The spray wheel opens. Move the wheel around to either select a new spot or overwrite an existing one, and then click to equip that spray in that slot. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.